What if I told you that you could make a rich, flavorful chicken biryani in just one pan? Let's jump right in. Start by filling your deep frying pan halfway with water and set it on high heat. Season the water with salt to taste. Toss in 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 1 green cardamom, and 3 to 4 cloves. Add a 1/4 teaspoon each of black pepper and cumin seeds. Squeeze in a 1/4 slice of lemon and add the peel. Then toss in a few fresh mint leaves later. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of oil into the water. Now, gently introduce 400 grams of pre-soaked rice that's been soaking for 30 minutes. Stir lightly to ensure everything is well mixed and bring the water to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to medium. Monitor the rice until it's 80% cooked. When the rice looks perfectly done, strain it and set it aside. Using the same pan, pour in half a cup of oil and heat it on medium. Add 2 to 3 medium-sized onions and cook them until golden brown. Remove the browned onions and set them aside for later use. Into the pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger, garlic, green chilies, and whole turmeric mix. Cook the mix for a minute to release the aromas. Introduce 500 grams of chicken and sauté until it turns light brown. Season with salt to taste. Stir in 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. You can easily buy it from your local Pakistani or Indian grocery shop. Add a tablespoon of mixed achar, Southeast Asian pickle, for a tangy kick. Mix it well. Toss in 2 to 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Mix everything thoroughly. Cover the pan and cook the chicken on medium-low heat until tender, roughly 15 to 20 minutes. Give it another mix and slightly increase the heat to dry out the mixture a bit. Some fresh coriander, 3 small slices of lemon, and add a handful of mint leaves. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Letting the flavors infuse. Continue cooking for a few minutes to thicken the gravy to your liking. Remove half of the chicken and gravy from the pan and set it aside. Now we will make biryani layers. Start by adding a layer of rice over the remaining chicken gravy in the pan. Spread the remaining chicken gravy evenly over the rice layer. Sprinkle a handful of roasted onions for added crunch and flavor. Lay some thinly sliced tomatoes across the surface. Toss in fresh coriander and mint leaves. Add a few green chilies. Garnish the layer with thin slices of ginger. Now add all the remaining rice on top. Top with the remaining fried onions. Evenly spread the rest of the garnish. Complete the layers with a drizzle of red and yellow food colors for that classic biryani look. Cover the pan and set it to medium heat for a short while to create steam inside. Once the steam forms, lower the heat to very low and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Looks like our biryani is perfectly cooked. Gently mix everything together, taking care not to squish the rice. Your biryani is ready to be served. We hope you had fun cooking this delicious biryani with us. Don't forget to check out our other videos. And as always, have a wonderful day.